Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking for a comfortable and durable seating option for your backyard, patio, or outdoor adventures, this video is for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best lawn chairs, selected for their comfort, build quality, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Ever 400 pounds lawn chair. First up is the Ever 400 pounds lawn chair, and the big selling point is honestly the integrated USB-powered heating system. 3 heat levels: high at 131 degrees, medium at 113 degrees, low at 95 degrees, warm both the back and seat, which is genuinely useful for chilly evenings around the campfire, outdoor concerts, or football games. You're staying comfortable without bundling up in blankets or extra layers. The oversized ergonomic design with a high back padded structure keeps you comfortable during extended sitting without the lower back pain that cheap chairs cause. Only weighing 9 pounds despite the steel frame and 400-pound capacity means it's actually portable despite feeling substantial. The setup dimensions give you generous seating room, but it folds down small enough to fit in car trunks easily. Works as a camping chair, lawn chair, sports chair, or general outdoor seating. Versatile enough for tailgates, stargazing, or just hanging out on the patio. If you want a chair that keeps you warm and comfortable without bulky heaters or extra gear, this one solves the problem. Number 2. VINGLI Yard Lawn Chair. Coming up next is the VINGLI Yard Lawn Chair, a solid, no-nonsense option for people who just want a dependable seat. The upgraded breathable webbing actually lets air move, preventing that sticky feeling in summer while still being suitable for spring, fall, or cooler days. The improved higher backrest provides real support when you're leaning back, so you're not slumping awkwardly. Heavy-duty metal pipes give genuine stability, whether you're sitting on grass, sand, concrete, or poolside. Anti-slip pads prevent sliding on smooth surfaces and protect indoor flooring if you use it inside occasionally. At just 9 pounds, it's extremely portable, easy to move, fold, and store for beach trips, camping, tailgating, or picnics. The compact folding design fits in smaller vehicles, or you can carry it by hand over distance without exhaustion. Despite the lightweight design, it handles adults of various sizes reliably. Classic-style lawn chair with practical, modern upgrades in stability, breathability, and portability. If you want a straightforward chair that just works without fuss, VINGLI delivers. Number 3. Alpha 450 pounds lawn chair. Third on the list is the Alpha 450 pounds lawn chair, built for people who need serious strength and durability. The 22mm thick steel pipes with a reinforced X-shaped frame provides exceptional stability, supporting up to 450 pounds without wobbling or bending. The hammer-tone powder coating protects the frame from rust and scratches even after extensive outdoor exposure. The padded, oversized design uses durable 600D Oxford fabric that resists tears, water, and wear, while staying breathable enough for warm weather. Smart storage solutions include a cooler bag that holds 6 200ml cans, a mesh cup holder, and a spacious side pocket for phones, sunglasses, or magazines. Everything stays organized without extra trips to grab stuff. Despite heavy-duty construction, it folds and unfolds in seconds with a reliable nylon carrying bag included. At 13.2 pounds and packing to 38.58 by 9.0 inches, it balances sturdiness with reasonable portability. Number 4. Joyfair Foldable Lawn Chair. In 4th place is the Joyfair Foldable Lawn Chair, engineered for safety and durability across varied outdoor settings. The 16.86mm heavy-duty steel supports up to 250 pounds with a reinforced X-shaped support system and protective casing preventing stress point cracking. Non-slip PE bases reduce tipping or sliding on uneven surfaces. The 600D Oxford fabric provides outstanding wear resistance, waterproof performance, and long-term reliability. Double-stitched edges keep material in place without fraying over time. The wide 21-inch backrest with 18.3-inch seat depth and 19-inch seat height achieves a natural sitting posture without strain. Armrests are positioned for relaxation. Dual mesh cup holders keep beverages and snacks within reach. Folds easily for fast setup and breakdown without complicated handling. Number 5. Ablazer 350 lawn chair. Rounding out our list is the Ablazer 350 lawn chair, sold as a set so you've got matching seating. The reinforced steel frame holds up to 350 pounds each, and covered with durable 600D Oxford fabric provides dependable stability without wobbling. Double reinforced joints ensure longevity even with frequent outdoor use. The standout advantage is the included insulated cooler bag that keeps beverages chilled and works perfectly for picnics, camping, tailgates, or beach days. Each chair includes a cup holder and wine glass holder so you can enjoy cold beer, wine, or whatever you're drinking comfortably. Spacious seating with 23.6-inch width, 24.4-inch depth, and 38.6-inch backrest promotes relaxing posture whether by the fire or during social gatherings. Quick fold design unfolds and packs away in seconds with no tools required, staying smooth even after repeated use. Practical for people who frequently travel with outdoor gear or need chairs that set up quickly. And that wraps up the top 5 best lawn chairs. Which one matches your outdoor setup the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.